We have to do commission received from Manish Bhai, Manu Bhai. We have to receive the commission from Manu Bhai or Mahesh Bhai or whatever the names are there. That is not important. We have received the commission. So first entries are commission account. When you received anything, by default cash is coming. When you received, cash comes in. हमें कहीं से भी मिलता है तो क्या आता है? कैश आता है. तो कैश इज अ रियल अकाउंट. वट एवर कम्स इन दैट इज डेबिटेड. कैश कम्स इन, दैट्स वाई इट इज डेबिटेड. कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड. Commission is a nominal expenses. As per the nominal expenses, whatever is income that is credited, expenses is debited. Here we have received the commission. When we receive the commission, it is our income. That's why it is credited. So cash account debited to commission account credited. Now the next. Rupees 20,000 deposited with the Bank of Baroda. 20,000 deposited with the Bank of Baroda. When you deposited amount in Bank of Baroda, what's happened? By default, one word is cash, another is Bank of Baroda. When you deposited, cash goes out. When you deposited amount, cash goes out. As per the real account, it is credited. So cash account is credited. When you deposit amount, amount is received by bank. As per the personal account, receiver account is debited. So Bank of Baroda's account debited. The entries are Bank of Baroda account debited to cash account credited. Now the next is goods of rupees 2,000 purchased on cash. Goods of rupees 2,000 purchased on cash. So first is goods account, goods purchase account and cash account, because purchase on cash. Cash account is there. First we think about cash. Cash is a real account. When you purchase, cash goes out. That's why it is credited. So cash account credited. When you purchase the goods, it's also real account. Goods comes in. That's why purchase account debited to cash account credited. Now the next is goods of rupees 10,000 purchased from Radha. Now goods of rupees 10,000 purchased from Radha. So goods account, and we have purchased from Radha's account. The another is Radha's account. When we purchase the goods, it's a real account. Goods comes in. Goods comes in. Goods account debited. That's why it is purchase account debited. And when goods comes in, Radha is the giver. As per the personal account, those who are the giver, that account is credited. That's why Radha's account credited. So purchase account debited to Radha's account credited. Purchase furniture of rupees 15,000 on cash. 15,000 फर्नीचर हमने कैश पे परचेज किया. तो अपनी दो एंट्री क्या है देख लीजिए. When we purchase the furniture, furniture was purchased, and another one is by default cash. What is there? Because nothing is written. Purchase furniture of rupees 15,000. So by default cash word is not there. So we have to understood is a cash word is there. So we have purchased on cash. So as per the real account, cash goes out. That cash account credited. We purchase furniture. Furniture comes in. As a real account, furniture comes in. What comes in? That is debit. That's why furniture account debited. So furniture account debited to cash account credited. Now some more transactions are there. Hina commence a business with the capital of rupees 50,000. Now Hina commence a business. Those who are commence a business, this is a honor. Those who commence a business, this is called honor. When honor give anything in the business, that is the part of capital. The first is capital account, and second is bring the cash, then cash account. Two accounts are there, cash account and capital account. The first is cash account and second is capital account. Cash account and capital account. Now look at here. When Hina commence a business with the capital of cash, तो Hina 50,000 रुपये लेके बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करती है, वो लेके आती है, तो कैश कम्स इन. दैट्स वाई इट इज डेबिटेड. दैट्स वाई कैश अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड. Hina is the giver. Honor is the giver. Honor is the giver is a personal account. When honor is the giver in the business, that is a capital. As per the definition of the capital, those who are honor, they are commence a business with the cash, capital or assets that you have to record as a capital. So think about it. Now dividend received rupees 200 for cash. So here the word is dividend account and cash account. Now cash comes in, so then it is cash comes in, cash account debited. 2, dividend is income. So as per the income account debited, that's why dividend account credited. Cash account debited to dividend account credited. The next is goods of rupees 12,000 sold to Mira. Goods of rupees 12,000 sold to Mira. When we sold the goods to Mira, first goods account matlab sales account, and we are sold to Mira, the Mira's account. Goods goes out, goods account credited, that's why it is sales account credit, because we sold the goods. And we sold to Mira, there is no cash word, so Mira is the receiver. As per the personal account, those who are receiver is debited, that's why Mira's account debited. So Mira's account debited to sales account credited, 12,000. Now the last transactions we have to try to understand. Machine of rupees 10,000 purchased from Ramesh brothers. Machine we have purchased from Ramesh brother. So first is machine account, another is Ramesh brothers account. There is no cash word is there. Machine is a real account. As per the real account, whatever comes in, that is debited. So machine comes in, machine account debited. We have purchased from Ramesh brothers. Ramesh brother is the giver. As per the personal account, those who are giver is credited. So machine account debited to Ramesh brothers account credited. So just do the practice of some more sentences.